Hi everyone. So today we're going to be talking about the BFM Weighing Bellows. So we invented this connector for a few different industries, mainly pharmaceutical, but also food, chemical and the battery industry, where you might need to be doing some very fine dosing with your equipment. So what do you need to know about the weighing bellows? The BFM Weighing Bellows is made from our C-Flex 040A urethane. So it's transparent and it's incredibly strong. It's virtually indestructible. It's made in an asymmetrical cone, which means that any kind of vibrations in this top section don't get transferred to the lower piece of equipment. So if you have a loss in weight feeder or a very sensitive scale, this is the connector you're going to want to use. Some of the advantages that this has over the silicon alternatives is the strength of the urethane. You can't cut, tear or pull this apart. Silicon alternatives tend to, when they get a small scratch, tear apart, and that can be very costly, leading to a lot more changeovers. One of the good things with this as well is that it's very easy to take out and clean. So within 30 seconds you can swap in a new connector, take this one out and clean it. There's no tools involved, there's no leakage because we use the 100% dust tight BFM seal, and you don't need to use screwdrivers to take out the hose clips or hose clamps that you're using. All of these connectors are also made at one height, so they're always a standard 80 millimeters long, and what that means is that every single connector you get will always be installed perfectly. There's no overly extended or off-center connectors, which means that you're going to get minimal vibration transfer every time when you use this product.